The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. What is obscured by what? Then that holy Sattva Vajra addressed the Tathagata Vajrasattva with these words: Kye Mao. The significance of non-duality, the true nature of secret wisdom, is bound, for individuals, in the nets of conceptualizations. We do not understand that reality is self-evident, so we fall into the cities of perversion. So he spoke. O Mahasattva, the true essence of all the Buddhas and the significance of non-dual secret wisdom are joined together with the end of the sky. The mirror of the wisdom that illuminates everything is not samsara. It is not nirvana. The sky, an awareness of the clear light of wisdom, is a wisdom of the self-luminescent awareness of all the Buddhas and all sentient beings. It is primordially manifest, specific to everything. Its reality is not to be anything at all. It is free from every reality. It is free from change. It is free from conceptions. It is luminous as the heart essence of wisdom. An analogy is that a single bone in the water will either meet up with or not meet up with conditions that enable it to seem to appear in different ways. The self-luminescence of the victorious one's wisdom is separated in its being either understood or not understood. But while in reality we do not visualize these things, we think about them, and they are well known to be essential for training. They do not have the force of self-luminescent awareness, and there are an inconceivable number of specifics on their perspectives on what transcends the world and on the world. In reality, they are all subsumed within the clear light of awareness. In the same way that they lack the force of awareness, they are reverted dharmas, conceptions of the existence or non-existence of a self, of a lord of creation, of a natural time, or of chance encounters. We are free of them all. Once we divide virtue from non-virtue, we have things to take on or to remove. We are confused about what is superior. Those who hold to stages in the way of what is higher or lower have reasons to be weary about making themselves want to attain them.